The internet is buzzing with excitement, and this time, it's about something surprisingly small yet incredibly impactful: Elon Musk's $6,789 tiny house. This isn't just another clever tech invention, it's being hailed as a potential game changer for the housing crisis. As property prices skyrocket and the dream of homeownership fades for millions, Musk's vision offers a bold new alternative: affordable, sustainable, and adaptable homes for the modern world. But can this tiny home live up to its promises? Could it truly redefine the future of housing? Or is it just another too good to be true idea? In this video, we'll uncover what's inside Musk's $6,789 tiny house and how it's built for functionality and comfort. How it works, from assembly to installation, making it faster and cheaper than traditional homes. The true affordability of this innovative home, including hidden costs and challenges. How this tiny house might change the future of real estate and urban living. Stay with us, because what you'll learn might completely change the way you think about homeownership. 1. What's inside Elon Musk's $6,789 tiny house? Elon Musk has a knack for redefining industries. From electric cars to reusable rockets, his innovations have reshaped what we thought was possible. Now, he's bringing that same disruption to housing, and it all starts with a 375-square-foot tiny house built in collaboration with Boxabl, a construction tech company known for modular, foldable homes. Here's what makes this tiny house special. The living area. Every square foot is designed for maximum functionality. Imagine a space where furniture doubles as storage, like seating that opens to reveal hidden compartments. Walls are optimized for shelving and customization, letting you create a cozy yet personal environment. Natural light is maximized, making the space feel larger and more inviting. It's minimalistic but doesn't feel cramped, an impressive balance between efficiency and comfort. The kitchen. The kitchen may be compact, but it's packed with essentials. A 2-burner induction cooktop for easy, efficient cooking. A 3.1 cubic foot mini fridge that's energy efficient yet spacious enough for everyday needs. A sleek stainless steel sink, paired with cleverly integrated storage solutions to keep clutter at bay. Cooking here is practical, straightforward, and surprisingly enjoyable for such a small space. The bathroom. Musk didn't skimp on comfort. The bathroom includes a full-size shower, complete with water-saving fixtures. A compact, eco-friendly toilet that's designed to minimize environmental impact. A sink with high-quality finishes, all arranged to maximize space without compromising privacy or usability. Eco-friendly features. The home's design prioritizes sustainability. High-performance insulation minimizes heat transfer, reducing reliance on heating and cooling systems. Optional solar panels allow for nearly off-grid living, cutting down utility costs and environmental impact. The structure uses modular materials that are easy to repair or replace, ensuring long-term durability. But here's the kicker: you can customize aspects like cabinetry, flooring, and finishes to make it uniquely yours, all while staying well below the cost of a traditional home. It's not just a house, it's a statement about how homes can be affordable, functional, and sustainable without compromising on quality. 2. How does it work? Assembly and installation. This is where Musk's tiny house truly stands out. It's not just affordable, it's a technological marvel in housing construction and logistics. Here's how it works. Foldable and compact design. The house is designed to fold into an 8-foot wide package, making it easy to transport using a standard truck. This drastically reduces shipping costs and eliminates the need for specialized equipment. Rapid assembly. Once delivered, the house unfolds and is ready for assembly within hours. With a prepared foundation, the entire setup, including connections to utilities, can be completed in under 24 hours. Utility connections. Professional teams ensure seamless integration with Water and sewage systems. A 200-amp electrical service. Optional off-grid power solutions, like solar panels, for areas without traditional utilities. Compare this to traditional homes, which can take 6 months to a year to construct, and the difference is staggering. Cost efficiency. At $182 per square foot, Musk's tiny house is far cheaper than the national average for new home construction, which hovers between $150 to $250 per square foot. By cutting labor, reducing material waste, and eliminating lengthy construction timelines, this model could completely change how homes are built. 3. How affordable is it really? The headline price of $6,789 sounds incredible, but what does it actually include? Let's break it down. What's covered? The base price includes the core structure, with a fully functional living area, kitchen, and bathroom. Essential fixtures like the cooktop, fridge, and plumbing. However, optional upgrades like solar panels, $4,000 to $8,000, or premium finishes, $1,000 to $3,000, can add to the cost. Land costs. The price doesn't include land, which is crucial. Depending on your location, rural plots may cost as little as $5,000. Urban plots could cost $100,000 or more for a small parcel. This variability can significantly impact the overall affordability. Utility hookups. Connecting to existing infrastructure, like water and power, could cost an additional $1,500 to $5,000. If utilities aren't nearby, costs could skyrocket to $10,000 or more for trenching in upgrades. Delivery and setup. Transporting and installing the house could range from $500 to $2,500, depending on distance and site conditions. Even with these extra costs, Musk's tiny house is still a fraction of the cost of traditional homes, which average $400,000 in the US. 4. What's the bigger picture? This isn't just about individual homes, it's about reshaping how we think about housing as a whole. Zoning and regulation challenges. Current zoning laws often make it difficult to place tiny homes in urban areas. For Musk's vision to succeed, policymakers must adapt, allowing for the development of tiny home communities and more flexible housing regulations. Financing innovations. Traditional mortgages aren't designed for tiny homes. Could we see new loan products tailored to affordable housing, or even direct partnerships between companies like Tesla and financial institutions? Potential impact. If widely adopted, Musk's tiny house could reduce homelessness by providing a low-cost housing option, inspire sustainable urban planning with compact, eco-friendly communities, disrupt the housing market, forcing traditional developers to rethink pricing and efficiency. This isn't just a house, it's a glimpse into a new way of living that prioritizes accessibility, sustainability, and innovation. Final thoughts. What do you think? Could you see yourself living in one of Elon Musk's $6,789 tiny homes? Would this be a practical solution to the housing crisis, or are there too many challenges standing in the way? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're as intrigued as we are about the future of housing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Elon Musk's groundbreaking projects. The housing revolution might just be getting started. What does this mean for the future? Elon Musk's $6,789 tiny house is more than just a home, it's a statement about what housing could and should be. With its affordability, sustainability, and modular design, this tiny house could disrupt the real estate market in ways we've never seen before. It has the potential to provide affordable options for millions who are priced out of traditional housing, inspire new urban planning models centered around sustainable, tiny home communities, spark a shift in how we think about space, ownership, and our environmental impact. Final thoughts. What do you think? Would you live in a $6,789 tiny house? Could this be the key to solving the housing crisis, or is it just another tech gimmick? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're as excited about the future of affordable housing as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Core Tech for more updates on Elon Musk's game-changing innovations.